So the time has finally come. You're ready to build this successful cleaning business, but you don't want to make any mistakes. You don't want to look silly. You don't want to be embarrassed. You don't want to waste time and money. Does that sound right? On this video, I'm going to show you how to make this business virtually fail proof. Sounds like a big claim. I intend to back it up. Let's get into it. Before we do, Mike Mack here. Been in this space, decade plus. Wrote the Amazon bestseller that's still not behind me. Pick up cash, is not trash. And in this video, I want to tell you how to make this. How do we make this business fail proof? Wouldn't it feel good to know when you look up in 6 months, there's a very, very high probability of success? Let's say an 85% chance of success if you just do these things correctly. Does that get you excited? Then this video is for you. All right, so let's talk about it. I myself have started and failed many, many businesses, right? And, when I look back on the businesses I failed versus the businesses I've succeeded with, they all have something to do with cleaning. a little bit of a giveaway. But in all seriousness, the businesses that I tried and failed at, I invested a lot of money and I worked my tail off. I worked really hard. So it wasn't a failure issue. I thought wrongly at the time this was an issue of luck. I just wasn't lucky. I needed to find a way to be a little bit more lucky, which I know sounds silly, but I kept thinking, well, I read the success books. I just have to work hard. I have to get up early. I have to forego a life, which was fine in my early 20s. But as a dad, a married dad, I I can't do that anymore. I don't have, I can't give a business 12 hours to 16 hours per day. I can't even, I can't even give it 10 hours or more, as, my life just won't allow for it. So I started thinking like, okay, maybe it's not for me. And then I realized it has nothing to do with that. The reason why those other businesses failed and this one doesn't is because the model is simple. I had singular focus on a simple model and I reversed the odds to be more in my favor. Why is that? Well, one of the things that's going to keep this dramatically in your favor is just this understanding of sales. You're not selling something new. You're selling a better version of what they're already paying for, especially when we target clients who could afford to give us $5,000 plus per month just for cleaning, general janitorial services. So you say, okay, yeah, I could see how that would be safer, right? Because you're not creating a market. The market already exists. So it's like, yeah, okay, that's fair. But what else makes it, on the safer side? Well, just think recurring contracts, right? They're all signing up for 1-year contracts. So this is another thing that makes safe. This is another thing that I couldn't find with my e-com business. I couldn't find that with my store. I can get someone to buy, a fidget spinner 1 month, but there's no guarantee this customer will ever come back to my store. See, that's the case with a lot of businesses out there where you're constantly having to look for new sales. You're constantly having to look for new people. Nowadays, that's become so expensive. And this is why people are flocking to quote unquote boring businesses. But I'll tell you something. The more I think about it, the more I stop wanting to call it a boring business because it's exciting. You know what's exciting? I just myself came and met some team members last night at a new office we just took over. And you know what? I had a blast. I had a lot of fun. Like just meeting new team members, seeing that they're enjoying the work that they're doing, seeing that's like, yeah, it's a great part-time gig. It's pretty cool. You guys are this is like a pretty cool setup. That gets me excited. This is an exciting business, which I know you're like, okay, but how do we minimize risk? Well, I'm trying to get you to really understand first that just the model of the business itself being simple is going to limit your risk dramatically. Now, I'm going to get to in a second what you can do right off of the bat to make it darn near fail-proof. I mean that. I really, truly mean that. But I also want you to understand the model is 80% of the game, right? So, like I said, when I think back to the models that I failed with, these are riskier businesses. These are businesses where it's just high impact. You need so much time. this works so well with my life because the name of the game is my focus as, a cleaning company builder is to continuously make sure my company's positioned effectively and then just constantly bring in new blood, so to speak, new office contracts, right? Keep that coming in, make sure my systems are dialed for recruiting and training and oversight, which I can talk about in another video. But once you have that set up, your main focus, like I said, just becomes new customers. So how do we, now that we understand the model is really simple and it doesn't take a whole lot of clients to be successful. For example, if you wanted to make $5,000 per month and you just, let's say you landed 3 offices between $4,000 and $6,000, take the average of 5, right? Car dealerships, churches, very small private schools, some medical, some gyms. Let's just say you just landed 3 of those offices, which is not difficult to do. Okay, you land those 3 offices, you're sitting there making an extra $5,000 per month without cleaning anything. And that's low end, by the way. Probably make a little bit more. But that's recurring every single month. This is what makes it safe. And then your job is to continuously find new office contracts. And if you have dialed in marketing, well, then that takes all the guesswork out for you as well. So now you're not having to think. You're not having to think like, how do I do this? I found this one by calling. I knocked on a door. I knocked on 5,000 doors. I got this one. Do you know what I mean? You're not having to think about that because you have a system in place. Okay? So, again, you're going to reverse a lot of risk by understanding, obviously, the model really well, but having a marketing system in place. What that means is you have to pick something that you're going to dedicate to. Everyone knows I'm a direct mail guy. That's me. I'm just going to win. I'm going to keep winning like that because most people won't do it. That's why we continuously win with it. But for you, it could be something else to start. For you, it could be going door to door. I don't think you should, but that's me. But as long as I'd rather you pick something you could be consistent with. Like, let's be real. If you're on my channel, chances are you have a solid career at least, right? Most of my people tend to. So if that's the case, you have to pick a system that is built around that schedule, like sending mail campaigns. You could do it digitally nowadays. If you wanted to run some type of ad, that's cool too. Again, the idea is you just build it around your schedule. So that's going to make your business fail-proof. Because as long as you consistently are getting in front of the right people through marketing, you're going to consistently be landing clients. So that's a major way to fail-proof your business. Another way to completely fail-proof your business is by getting your first client as soon as possible. Yes. The reason why is because this right here is the hardest one. Now, I've been fortunate enough to be coaching for 5 years plus now, and time in and time again, when people really lock in, when they listen to what we say, and you lock in, you land that first contract, it changes everything. Because it stops becoming an idea to you. It stops becoming a dream. You see what it feels like to get that first contract and they pay you up front for the month ahead. Then you could go buy some equipment. Then you could, you get a team member in there or 2 or 3, depending on the size of the location, of course. And then you see what it feels like. Then you pay them in 2 weeks and they're happy, you're happy, the clients are happy, everyone is happy. But then your confidence, mentally, the stock goes through the roof because you see this is something you could actually build on the side. This is the magic, my friend. Getting that client as fast as possible is going to reverse that risk. And this could be done, honestly, without even marketing. Your first client, you don't even have to market to get your first client. This is what I call power base. There's a strategic approach to do this extremely well. But you don't even need that. You can just land your first client by talking to people you already know, right? And then getting them to see that you are very passionate about your business and you're looking to help other businesses by giving them the cleanest office in the area. So that right there is all you need to get your first client. But it's important that you do, because if you do, you're not going to stop. It becomes addictive. So you position your company, get it done as fast as possible. Fast as possible. Then get that client as fast as possible using your existing network. And then you do that, you establish your systems for marketing and growth, and then the competition's looking at you in 6 to 12 months like, who are these guys? Where did they come from? And they're not going to know you. You know why? Because you're just chilling in your cubicle making boss moves. I'm serious. So those are, I can tell you other things about making it fail-proof by just staying consistent, but a lot of that you already know. The people I'm talking to primarily, it's a time issue. It's an issue where it's like, look, I'm really wanting to do this. I just don't have the time to clean. I don't have the time to set anything up. If that's you and you want to see what it would look like to have my team completely build everything out from you, everything, in 21 days, hand you over a business loaded with the marketing campaigns, the branding, everything needed to crush in this game, to go out there and just smash locally. I mean that, right? Targeting only the right types of clients, getting them to come to you pre-sold. If that's exciting to you, click the first link in the description. Chat with my team. See if it's a fit. See if we could help you get there. I know we can. So do that if this is for you. But if you're like, no, dude, listen, you got a nice polo and you're making some sense, but I need to wrap my mind around this a little bit more. Watch this video right here. It's got you covered. I'll see you over there.